How to prove whether the sets of points that you have on the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. And this we will do by using the distance formula and also by using the slope formula. Okay, both the formulas we will use to prove that the points are of parallelogram. So we know that, everyone. So parallelogram is something like this, means any quadrilateral that having the four sides, right? The quadrilateral that is having the four sides, and if that quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then we have some properties. What are the properties to be a parallelogram? That opposite sides are equal and parallel. So basically we can say that AB is equals to CD, and AB is also parallel to CD, right? Parallel to CD. Similarly, BC is equals to AD, and also BC is parallel to AD, right? What is the other property that we have? We have the opposite angles equals to each other, right? Angle A is equals to angle C, and angle B is equals to angle D, right? Now also we have the diagonals, they bisect each other. Means if I will say that we have the diagonals, let's say this is my diagonal AC and this is my diagonal BD. So bisecting means what? This part, let's say this point is O. So AO is equals to OC, because BD is breaking this AC into two equal parts, and also OD is equals to OB. That AC is doing that. Okay, so both the diagonals, they are breaking the other diagonal into two equal parts. So that is the properties of parallelogram that we have. Now, if we have the points, if we have the coordinates, how to do that? Let's understand. So let's take some coordinates. So I'm taking some coordinate. So let's say we have one coordinate, let's say 0 comma 8. We have another coordinate as 6 comma 10. We have G, that is 2 comma 0. We have H, let's say we have let's say -4 and -2. So these are the coordinates, let's say, we have taken, right? Now what we will do, we know the distance formula. Everybody has learned the distance formula. So distance formula is what? That is the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is my distance formula. Okay, and what is the slope formula that we have? Slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, if we are together using these two formulas to prove that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then we just have to take the opposite one pair only. Let's say we have this parallelogram whose name is EFGH, right? EFGH. Now, for if we are using both the formulas together, then we just have to take one of the pair of the opposite side. So I'm taking HG and EF. Okay, so let's use the distance formula for the side HG. Distance formula we will use always for the side. So HG, if I am taking, so I will take the coordinate of H and G only, right? So let's say this H is first. So I am taking the first alphabet as H. So this one, let's say as x1, y1, and this I have chosen as x2, y2. So as per the formula, x2 minus x1. So x2, which is 2, minus x1, and x1 is -4. So we have to change the sign here, but right now I'm not changing it. I'm just writing properly. Then y2 minus y1. So it's -2 minus 0. Okay, so it will be 2 plus 4 whole square and -2 whole square, which is 6 square. 6 square is 6 into 6, which is 36, and it is 4. So it's root 40. Right now I'm taking the opposite side of that HG, which is EF. So for EF, I will choose these two coordinates because E and F coordinates are this one only. So I'm taking first alphabet as E. So x1, y1 from here and x2, y2 from here. So what is x2? 6. What is x1? 0. Then we have 10 minus 8 whole square. Now 6 minus 0 is 6 and 6 square is 36. Plus 10 minus 8 is 2 and 2 square is 4. So my sides are coming same. My HG and EF, they are coming same. Now what we will do here, we will take the slope formula for the both the sides, right? For the same sides I'm taking. So when I will take the slope formula for the same sides, then what we will do, let's say we have to find the slope for HG. So slope of HG side. So we have formula that is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's the formula. So what is y2? Now HG, I'm taking again these two coordinates only. So this is my, just a second. The H, this is my x1 y1, this is my x2 y2. So y2 is -2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it's -2 over -6, which is 1 over 3, because 2 times 3 and minus minus cancels out. So 1 over 3 is the slope of hg. Similarly, if I will find the slope for the opposite side, which is ef, so slope of EF. So I will take the coordinates for EF and F. So Y2, which is this one, okay, minus Y1, which is 8, over X2, which is 6, and 0. So it's 2 over 6, again it's 1 by 3. So now if you will see one of the pair of opposite side, they are equal also, and their slope are also giving me the same value. So HG is equals to EF, because there I'm getting root 40 and root 40. And the slope for HG, that will be equals to slope for EF. So when this happen for one of the opposite pair, we can say that it's a parallelogram, right? So it is as simple as that. Very easy, right? So